Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Maxima front bumper. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a plastic trim removal tool. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat surface and setting the parking brake. For an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. Now, let's start detaching the bumper. Begin by removing all the plastic clips and screws that connect the bumper to the fender liners on both sides. Next, look underneath the vehicle for several bolts, usually 8 or 10 millimeters, and remove those as well. Finally, carefully detach any clips holding the grille in place and any other fasteners near the headlights, ensuring you don't miss any hidden ones. With the fasteners removed, it's time to disconnect any electrical components. Carefully unplug the connectors for your fog lights, parking sensors, or any other wiring harnesses attached to the bumper. If your vehicle has a windshield washer fluid reservoir or hose running through the bumper, gently detach it. Now, with everything disconnected, carefully pull the bumper straight off the vehicle, making sure no wires or hoses are still attached. To install your new bumper, simply reverse the removal process. Carefully align the new bumper, ensuring all mounting points, clips, screws, and bolts are securely fastened. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical connectors for your lights and sensors, and reattach the windshield washer hose if you disconnected it. Before you hit the road, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Finally, test all your lights and sensors to confirm everything is working correctly, ensuring a safe and successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.